John 3:16, for God so loved the world, that is why he gave his only begotten son, that whoever believes in him will not perish but have everlasting life. Psalm 150 verse 6, also let everything that has breath praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Genesis 1:1, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Somewhere in the Bible, you just say, and Jesus would. But some church say, a Bible quotation, maybe idea pa. Oh, a Bible quotation. Something is happening here in the country. We've all seen some videos going viral. A show or more UTV, and asset at the social media. Ghana so Yankopon, Jesus Christ, Black Jesus Christ. Now a whole lot of issues. Jasm. I get by no. Hey, Mama. Bakoba who why? Only how I know how says the first on cat. So something has been going on here in the country. Jesus Christ, Ghana Jesus Christ. I know TV, UTV. I started by social media. I be people have issue with it. Aside the controversy, some Christians have issue with it. Manya police na kasa nisika shem ewa ha. Ona sa directing. Brasalinko. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Zion. Yes, Father Roma.
Una ye producer, director, and actor in it.
Producer, director, and actor in it. Yeah.
Boys Are Bread.
Boys Are Bread. Series na person.
Why Boys Are Bread?
Nice one, Zion. I am say Boys Are Bread. Yeah, and you ma guru the bar. Yeah, a bema ne take your mind. I be nom the trust in the be so the yeah, you be so the yeah or more and you man kasa. Na I'm saying so ya piki because na ya any guru ya adwene say system no na boys hustle near there, and until now some of the guys some of us now are still hustling. The Oscar Dime Macro good them he's still hustling. International say you won't say boys in our bread. That's why we put that title no.
Who brought the title? Or who brought the whole concept of the show?
That's me. That's me. Of late, now say na many year Juma TV3 Gamma production year Juma into one bosom pen. What the mayor Baba and Shoe Shine. Until now, Mama could this series side on say Oshimo Salinko Bar movie Mukrana check a cra, or because I could this series side. And you won't want a TV3 there no or more a so. Like almost the whole aspect of it. Not just you bet never ye. There's also a baby binti. No, nay, Baba and Shoe Shine. Names your best at Boys Are Bread. You know, na me eat room, but Boys Are Brand here. And no, nay, the senior ma at 2 minutes happy and our UC. I just say, and one a dinner more. You be paid the trending story I was with this time.
For somebody who is new to, and I will be on the Ghana YouTube, Boys Are Bread. Why?
Boys Are Bread. No, you feature most of the celebrities in Ghana. Obia Timbembe me running no. Na you were 4 main characters, which is me, Nsafo Ahima, Kwapia, Anna Wayosi, and you been subordinate characters, BTS Akosuya Japan, Hankanuku, and other celebrities. And they be introduce different artists. Anna made this page when so year resurrection. Make a resurrection and yeah, say Omwa artists na Oma ba Oma conform no. Na me de Quenya way so page omo because social Boys Are Bread na ye no UTV. And na UTV so him say obon homod ne pant obi obepie so a obeyere ne ho bia no okọ. Na ye production de nyame ahira so to extent say obi abamu a wo se nyame boa no na otimi sorry enti ye bota ye pa ene say ye be resurrection no na afin so celebrities bia minim ni bia different musicians obi afem.
So for how long has it been running?
For 6 years.
6 years?
Yeah.
Ache
6 years. Yeah, Boys Are Bread pa.
And that's what the music in you.
Zion, you're starting there, you're more than a bet, by any more, not ebe ni mu no na che se afina ye koye nim insurance nka Father Dixon ni UTV ye koto ho de amaye nya kakra etimi fi nka se yenye skefin cause sponsors na ni je ho nti omo ba ebe sponsor ma ye nso ye koye nim.
Will you agree with somebody who says, hey, and then we both know about power?
I didn't hear meaningful.
Okay. So, will you agree with Obia? Obeka say, social media and I say, I'm going to blow more.
Aye, Obika say, say about social media and I'm going to blow more na yampa. But now, you were near viewers, both social media and TV, no. The ban and saying so no, you more pijapa.
I'm a scanner.
And yes, you can never bet a mam and knee a huyen. Or more who are Juma, yeah. This is short skits in a bar bontine. But a man for Kosha was Salinko TV, and I say UTV, or Muhu story no full side of it. And say, these people are making interesting stories along.
Okay, let's start from here. But before I go on that, let me say this. I called Mebusem, I think last week, December 7 Kasa. No say, I'll be from later. So in yes, be Menen Kasa, Menen Kasa. We are now on senior time. We also be Kasa. Then on also side of the story, on also Eddie Abba. Fans are you. So at what point did Mebusem come in?
That's a baby. So far, I'm targeting for 3 since January.
This year
January. Once I Father Dixon did a birthday into a year of artists, you know. And the men can say, Washa, you know of a key, Eba. Men can say me do of a key, but boys are brand new of a key, Eba. Of a key of the BKK. Yene Jagapi, and so Abbey Roma, Yeneno Airclaw. Other artists in so Egugumwa, you know more Eba. If you also know a Jenny Dimber resurrected people, now your person resurrected woman there. Mebusem was part of your plans. Say, Oyeminia, although me a senior man were many. But what could do baby announce what would be? It's an enemy motive. Until Mebusem made the net to Makuma so 1st January. The last before I make America and say, I'm on 2-3 months in and I'm not quite happy senior far plans about me. Busem say, I'm fan number, even cramming your cram, man, director boys are brainy because will be sika, a munya drusa or chireno sikanepe.
How to fish is better than fishing for the person.
Yeah, and me this idea about me Busem, and definitely my friend on so the Umbrasia Jeso, na me too nefo, and yen na, why ya na man for commented bad was here or there be. You must rather advise the person than to say, Obekasa rough. Say, you need baby, I will baby, I will to free, you know, no akasa rough. Obe advice in Nipano, Nama, Omo was wrong. And as Omo was work a crown, so I feel, let's say, Peso Mubua Obia, Omunino Mohumwa, because people appreciate it. Oh, dear Major, yeah, you may be some Kasai. I'm Smini, I'm a truthful. Say ye be call now Jones ho na Jones time no why we issue na raise ya say Jones time no Jones depart nti
na Jones ntutini
men can say for the mema hu ne de men ko against Jones da ti oye nyina ya hye obi asepen me yes Salinko ma hye obi asepen Seni pan be ma misika. Seni pan ma misika. Fancy ye hwe mi ne madofu. What you say? And then me advertise ka kese.
Machine no ene de adwuma. The batteries ekolo odi agro. Ente katie no. We are back again. So let me continue my chat with Salinko about only issue na abano. So me busano say Obone saying also about 500 series, no caso bitua 300 Ghana series, and also opese obuano because there are a lot of people are almost
yeah.
Yeah,
there are a lot of people. Zion, sika semni de obi betena ba bia comment say sebe sika semni ti say be oba adwuma ni mu a a bit is I've been so I face all this sikasem no da. And obi mammy and 10 million being shanning some. What I say? O bank a cran and a day call. A juma way, a dear woman here pants obey your own home. I was stage 1 no. One brown was stage 1 and then you made the work 2.
So now let's fast forward. What is the problem right now?
Maybe American is a problem with New if patient, what you say, if patient or patiency must prevail.
So be tunable.
Yes, sir, and Brassier and nay and Tiasia Baba Yebeko. Nina say, Zion. A Juma Bia will become beyond your rules and regulations. Mimi the answer, okay, Minia, yes, what I na dear Bano. Or do ye little comedy around it, but yam found at Adeno aside production we muno. In fact, I didn't pay and conquer short video. To me catch him a busem no. To Mammy Giatadini say, yes, sir, by another location. Now, Fee, what's a no wash and work on a
production atari.
Production atari. Production and so short video near ye. Yeah, dear at the Met TV. Yeah, Juma, our contracted that's why the Met TV.
But some position company, it should be from the
series, you know. And to show so I've been for UTV. And no more ye better or money problem. And me one am a guy back. Friends, and maybe some abejata, you know.
Or catch them.
Not
like maybe some catch
one can't
say what they production.
One can't tell me. Nam friend Buzan, and Mebuna, I didn't watch it at Tadden. Was all me di guho, sir, Mempesu be a de Bequabon, said the Narcano. To make a Jeffrey soften her. Some me di go, and I'm so near Bay Mammy now. Mempesa, the Bay short video be our bunting, be Union from her. Yes, I tell you, man, no abeshe near.
When was that? I check.
Almost like bad 2-3 weeks morning.
Was Enche?
Enche. On was a walk around me, Kumasim, but me one my call about friend was a Reverend Obwa. At our dinner one whole Kumasi, our D shoot to or say or befa a mebusem in Jesus in tree. For the first year for near, then I'm so as for the I'm catching say one plan a barber years for. To one plan to a bar, some more becania than a moy do. I know no first year for Kumas was saying, I didn't see a chanakra. Come to me with some old chairman tro. What's the idea go ha? I had then pictures we almost sending me picture video. Opa me the Ninian Abema. This is greediness. Sure, say ye obia obema wako, but ebia won't check. So when you are to a new be a jumem, and you will be a home, and you will be intellectual property home. Wafano honedi, Okoshia ni pebiana, and Kamebusam no, untiming and quiet way, and fan who need that. What you say? Although a years we in a jenkwa, Anna, ye dinner betumwa, ye play little things around him, common things. I said, a bear. I didn't be quite dinner so because your plans in tea dinner back. Coffin and Kiabema, Yebe, Yahuniama, I say, oh, or befa a swear for no, I started on our furniture version of it. And think I am so yanka cry near busy the right channel.
In some now, can one of my catching on Canasa on one concert.
The all can in a minimum catching.
Bible quotation now.
Bible quotations in India, a one or no dream. Some young Mabusa, maybe quotation. I also a good was aside or Nadia Shim.
But seeing the owner, a woman,
and the little comedy, Bemama, I won't say I deal with Crebu out to that. Nancy, I had the ban, I'm kosher, I won't say, sir, boys, CB, yes, short skits and Ibi. Oh, dear Major. And when you had the dream more do and push you uncle, and when your platform on Swa, a Beboa uncle, Ghana, a Christian country. You see, I see a play little things around Jesus to highlight him, Nadia. And yeah, we have to do common things and go against much.
Because people have started raising concerns. Ebe call it about let's finish with this one.
And Mebusem problem a me wo nyina ne say. Me ma de a me ya me de wa be main character no. Wa betam atade ne de kokumase. Akọfa nkrofo foforo ni omu twa. Me ma dwene no.
Who idea?
Me ma idea.
Before so okọfa no te say otwa bibisa.
There be man te so wo frame me ma me ne nyina asere kama. Ansa no oje sofo ne boy ne number. Akọje, oso obeje na na be 11:30.
E wa Accra ha.
E wa Accra ha.
It's not the Kokumase.
Ohu. Enti ade e ha me ne say. Ye nyina na ye adwuma no. Mimpamu, minyi wo mfiri. Oso wo kotwa bi no de ato ne YouTube no de apesi kakakra na me aminim se na nsen wo to fom no afei na nyame adom na mmeso a wo sorry se de meka aye no. Enti na mse mebuoyi. Wankasa wo pro ho kofa entakrache sha obi ansom da. Menyame na ankasa emma wo so. Ade a wo ye bebre ani age. Enipa bebre ani age ye nyina ya post bi se de be ya wo be kosoro. Ohun de meche nti anka afei ne yakohu Bible Society fo aye no omo be fa plan no o ma kire ye niema a ewo se ye ohun omo nso omo te no omo so Salinko ade na ade aba ne ye enti ye no be partner na afei yamma wo niema eye be boa Ghana Christian council no.
I listened to him on one of the Despite groups on station where Mukasa no. Now I say it does all catching sounds on the catcher or say uncha some sins been brains or kojata na or church say or travel to YouTube.
Obuada. Say me message ade bla na nye greediness ya. Nka me nka say o na say we minim say e baaye no wa wo hwe mi wahu. Ama ade na boosti. But ye die nhira nim me mpeda. Me nya ni bro. Me ya ni bra nka me mfra wo say beye bi. Senka boosti. But me hu ne said de wo sitie na adwene na wo de bae na nya adwen papa enti ne boost na abusi no me hu enhira bia ye den ewom boys abra me yire ne ha me se mfa nko to YouTube because me kwa outside Ghana ko twitwa bi US mo ne France mo ne ade enti ebe ma hofo na hu enti ye na omu kotwa na ye de agu no omo nso ahwe me here more fancy bebrebe asa be me here me krokro wa na me wom no enti waba na abusu a e good. You have to humble yourself under that unction. Baby anyame de waba no na motive ben na uhia na abusan say motive ben and we want to odi kotwa bie.
I say still on the station I say friend no no bo food did na term eboni dia de anto nyina boni dia say atare no de kotwa bia de anto enye bibi uboni dia
o ma moni dia
so ubo anto din wo foko
wedding menini nyina African so what Kenya as me free Kenya ase anam chense mebusam we uye wa adwen se ubi timi a untimi bi timi so wo free say wani atia. So we a bad person, I'm more bad than you. Jamaica what you say, in Tesukoko will be no jano atifita. Minu nyina na free Kenya as you. Antwa kwana wote so minu nyina na woso. Be menu so antwa enyo hwe be nyankopon. Onu ankasa bedi me no ntemu asem ayedai ama.
San ka kire no.
Yeah. Ene na mebusam free say bia Yesu na hete no. En obenye omo a omo betwere nsem bebre akaseti ame but onhu so omo advice no omo betwere nsem diodu no they are not helping him.
Odineka
e kan nam se me de ne ka 200 am de to o se me nto fu emra
ba me ka we no series no tianeka
me pese me ka kura ma me ada artist ehun se sika we na call no ho what you say
to tianeka
me tianeka ubebi a ukoba ubebi a 100 nam de amount because minim say won so no na wo ho na niema akodan wa amount to uba 100 do 50 no waje na de afaka adwuma na ye nhye na so sa ye sponsors ba na ye ko
so ba the holding na the transportation to Kumasi back na ye
enye Kumasi dabi oba wo yi owo Otra La Paz ya Asamoah Junction ho side.
Ka so baby no.
Still so. To oba wo so won na obesa akọ no mama ne dropping ska.
Okay.
Onu akra asam ni mi no oba me pe na asem ti boys ja o de age ne ko. To onu afa ka ba obeduru ye obeje sa na adwuma ne wom. Wa ofa ka ba obeduru anu aye producer no.
But still on the conversation that I listened to na mummy on your conference call no. O say obeya so tweneka meaning untweneka. So obeya I say utweneka answer wa ba yes I forget the services.
Eno na kire how anibre boni eda na afa. Kire say me wo first time aye no wa ya ade ni. Na ed ne say ohun obi ade da ho no wa kohwia. Se okohia obi a onya mebusem obetimi chesen obetimi abubu ogo nipa betimi abubu no a won sori biem woni tua se ade wei eye wei dia wo se me for so age de me kan wate ase me ade ne busu abusu no minhunu ade bi ewom ebia nyame de mandate na to me so se wei mra na me mpe nipa me free say metima play around the person to throw the image and the plans of the gospel to the world. They say Yesu obefa Yesu atade ne kwa ono no o wadwen bi say afi no do obi konu nsuom o hwe a pictures ni ma menyi bi nkyerɛ wa koyi obi tin ho kwabo that's not the ideal. Debi ye ne ye portray enti so obehu se de sua ne bi abamu a akofa obi ayi ne tin ho kwabo look at this. We Yesu asuan for one ayi ne tin ho kwabo o be say ne kwa mini ahwe so
zoom no omo hwe Yesu
ono akofa enwi foforo bi ahye apamatade ne bi eye bad enti me yesa menkasa but mankasa ho a magana fo anhu ni motive a ode enam eye bad motive no ode nam
enti
eni wakofa Yesu asuan for one na eti sei afeni e mawo ye be po mo munim Bible because we decided to bring Kum Chacha along also what quotations pa enti wo busa Kum Chacha me friend ka chen say chama ye be ye adwuma bi o because omo wonim die wo quotations enti nka Ghana fo be hu ana Salinko social media platform na Salinko attend half amanyame ohun na adwene na ekọ enko ye sebe eniema bi
se what you nephew
ye de ye ni problem menyi no mfrim
but say the idea on ka ho
de se na ye adwena ye wo ne se me mpanyimfo bebre na ne makasa omnim se me intellectual property nti omo ne makasa kama na de tian se mebusam ne nso wo set so a otwa
same
Jesus no enti yentimi ni mienu no hwan ye we ni we wan so na aye same character obeye me de na asa akoye we ya de he ne ye nhwe de me cho why ade bi a we totally wrong what say sebe anke ye kan ni say no minua e bi a me very sorry yentu anamo what you say na wonam no so obebo mi dia na o say antoan so nyama me antoan me nanano no Antoine me Francois me Antoine me Kenya zini
enti no obi bese ne kwakra ne say you move on without the Jesus character or you find somebody else to play that Jesus character.
The advisors are more platform you so any more better and some who here no what you have to advise him is which station brought him out UTV enti so what they need any respect in my UTV there on stop there all you know because you be idea no there kwahye na omra na yem planning fa ne ho
so you still need him
me ntu obi ntweno me ade a me mpa wiase ne akayo I love to discipline be me ntu obi ntwene so what the go ho no oba fa ye ne beko be wan fa nwo no okwa ye be fa different character
but some oba mbutoneka
aye ntu aka say Zion ye no ye adwuma ne ehu so wafro so kra so sika ye de kakra ka ho what you say ye ma me charge ye bum ye ne wo ba bet e agreement efie kra wotim na efie ra so wo tuma so wontimi ntumu bum se me fie enti wontimi matum bum se me no ma di 50 million
I was coming to read social media comments, but before I go on to read social media comments and questions they have for Salinko pertaining this particular issue, let's touch a little bit on the opinions and then criticisms Christians have against this particular scene now on the Abeshe boys are bringing. So you don't see anything wrong with the Obana Eyo series name. Say all portray Jesus now or the diagram.
Medasi bebre on say portraying ne de wo hwe de mebusamo ye ni nyina na. To me, as a comic director, comedy director, to me I see nothing wrong. But to the serious ones, they will see something wrong, which they will inform me, and next time I wouldn't repeat.
That's why you aka.
You.
No, I mean like I'm not for who say enya no akwawi akoti bizo wi
baby a enya ye yifrim baby say ye ma ne to bo onu atambo to yi me yifrim because me betena bench hu say no Yesu no ye portray no ye ma ne to bo what you say the character na ye good and so far no and I make us say with or without him no we have many comedians around and we are looking for another plans ye be magana for hu say ye wi a ye be portray komfo anoche ye be portray Dr. Osaje for Kwame Nkrumah wa wo din ye do stories e ba na ya kan wo ti Yesu wo ye hit nti Christopher Mesremo Munua Salinko, there are many ways to kill a cat. What you say?
As a one killing ye.
Say omu free sen kai bia ni nyina be say ye kwa sorry dem akosum Yesu no. Ana say ni nyina be say.
Omu say mu die su ho few.
Yesu ho few de ye ndi Yesu ho few.
Because oka say we am honam mundi na we am muja munum to say this with chocolate drink. At a point, obedi Yesu buy. Minim, say minim there was serious na minim there outside, but baby, obedi never buy. So Yesu nsani area, or say fani ko 37 hospital. I mean those things.
We are serious now. What obeti ase? Yesu we na wo buy na nkasa no. Also ofri nima.
I mean, Nina, Yesu fan a woody.
Enye ye tie.
Yesu finim.
We
get to boy. Yes, I get to boy.
Zion, me no wa say here. Obi betima ba so on the Messiah no. Enti assuming say ye series in him no. Role we na we be play no. We ye force Messiah. Enti mo ntwen yen. Mo be wan say bia Messiah na Yesu ayede na eba no osu say ya na nsuo to. Oja isu a ubon say kom ni ade enti wo say kokofo be pa na chew no osu me nsuo to. Galamse for be pana cho no gya isu no matima kofe de ne so Yesu nsenche ne obeye mu odo enti first Messiah ne buy no ti monto mo
different one ba real one ba
Jesus e ba obeye ne nsenche ne.
Okay, so let me move straight to social media. I have a whole lot of comments here that Pacho munya time na muntina bibi o ha ye question bia na ono so no wetimi answer. Obviously, please ask him how much is that money that they are fighting about. I'm asking for my village people. Okay. Or say no moko. Obi say we advise. Or say they shouldn't allow the devil to rejoice. Please tell the people, tell them to wise up because both are married and responsible fathers.
Mebu say mo worry. Sa yalefo na muhu no dey per hype. No dey per hype. Anya ne bibia anya ne yire. No dey per. Enne ma ne ball for mo a. Enne hye say boy yi pa we di kan be ya de wako down. Omo be bo wabasu nyina be ha wo. What you say? UTV na ye adwuma ma no. Ye nyire ye ho ne ntime nya adwuma no na UTV no mfa ye mra. Me ma bra me wan se na me chef father na se.
Okay. Question was escaping me. First and akasa now say asasafobi ne safobi wo. Nti sasafo na wo de be so botom. Now what two mama ne success na nkoso.
Me ntime nye obi success. But se wo o boss na ase. Na se o boss ni nhira na wo kwa otimi fedi with success. I know that people will comment about this, but it will never last for 2-3 months.
The oil will not last for 2-3 months.
Like Obia waye badwin ma bia badwina ka say unse nkrofo ka say Zion, tell them to come together. Me, I'm ready for togetherness, unity. But so ono oba this will jai the war ye no. Sane de na wo twetwa no. Me na my idea. Na wo jai anu apa na ye adwuma na ma UTV. Na UTV no, nyame nhira wo mu ma ye no na project yen. Ye nyina ye ko say asemi ba ye ya. Me fan say nka ye criticize for na omo say ye moki Yesu no nko na eba. Anke ye betwa bibia dwodwo o makoma.
Okay. It's no obisi Mimbusao. It's no okasa no say 2-3 months na in elastic.
Oh, Zion. Short video de bia woni duration no. Na de me man kwaye denchiro obu ase. Me ye denchiro obu ase fire be here top of the case as a issue. After sa drop. You wan akuapem mo ba ye hanyan. Ye nua ba menka mo ya ye nua ba ya onya accident we ni case you kura say kofom. Enti social media de wo ka say wakonya ho enti wo fa sa akonya ne so abu obi kwase akwa wo nkoduru ba bia. After obi ehwa na say de ode yes alinko yenye. Ye nyina ye nka mum waba mi mama mo waba akra okokuma so woje sika ka sika ne ko mo waba yetwa na ukọ yetwa na ukọ na wo froba enye Yesu nko an ye beye wo what I say nye Yesu nko an ho an na ya fu before for story ho an ye ko what I say.
Do you feel disappointed and then as a wayuama?
I'm very much disappointed in him, but me who say okura nkwala adwene was sisan that my friend or catch me say nyame na ehira no oko Jonsu ya or ojai ye no ana me nso be fa ndi me nso mafa na me se me nyusu ne biemu ana say me nka say me nyusu no say me pe na me nyusu ne biemu a me nya nyame be say ehira na me ka che nzo odim oba warefo or ware no waja no waja oni en monyam bio what I say oni en monyam bio mti me de me disappointed in him but so obre no ho ase na obehye nyame adom na ode adom me say me nso me mfa mwa no no bia obekọ me adom no ode adom fada na fada de ebua me what I say ti so no nso bre no ho ase no hu ba bia wa behye a obekọ.
My name is Zion Felix, my name is Boy Salinko, and Eddie and Komo. Awari into the final words. I'll be commenting on Facebook, you know. I didn't read those ones. Obviously, that's 2020 beko.
2020 no. Me kwanka by now me rafield the grassroots works. Me train kakra. On said this time no emu ayehye NPP ni NDC no although I'm a competitor, but men can say you will check it, your calculations. What would you call the politics in a game? One calculate your back field over Bocania, dear, but obey an Diana. Next trip, me qua minim say, okay, and you win, Krana, I'm still preparing, say, meet me a Gene.
Final words, Nianko.
The final words and say more share Zion Felix in we don't mean bad to Mebusem. Me actor but on what the na obey and mean so many then edging home. Na it's about time so we in a fan you just put the advice there. You know your question what the advice to her mammy and mefa. Would the be hot to her manwa, me did this or befa a bebuano. Once baby acrobat to say, you know, be do be about where you good. Now, say, what Bren who has in wash a hot ya. So acrobat to more stars. And so every Thursday, also about UTV, no, a picture, what Bren who has ya, sa, a somnasia, a deneco. Tis a me many baby, I'm some buano. That's what Bren who has ya. Obeco. What is here? Me more enough for some to my boy me busem.
Do you hate him?
Never.
Are you jealous of him?
Apo. At the end, the one who pa me jealous. me de ne ko kire Italian counselor sɛ me de ne bɛba na magye visa ama no ɔkɔ ne yakɔdan ye ho abrokyire aba because metimi yɛ saa de no enti wo jealous ne sɛ mebusɛm sɛ ne won ho sɛ hwi ne mebusɛm afei ne yɛbɛkyerɛ wo life na ɛwɔ so bobi na no ayi apia stadium nyame nhyira pa ofrɛ me was Salinko ma respect o pa wo comedy no mfa ni agro wo don ho abɔ enkrafo ni bi ana wo dressing kama na wa yɛ ho kama ne ama ya respect adwuma no nti afei na nke yɛbɛtutu na nam wasiye what you say me de pa kyerɛm de wo mebusɛm ho hate we Yesu hate ya wanyen na sɛ ma bɛ hate pen entrepreneur man hate entrepreneur den job was man hate me koyam politics man hate meni mre ne hwe me pese nyame adom na ode ato me so na opese mbua no omra no wanyai ehɔ na wone nam no omra ne enka mom na yemwa no oma with or without him no we are doing it what you say because they say afei ne anya Christian ayi empanyimfo omo be kyerɛkyerɛ said there was a sikɔ no Bible no any ade say ye the gospel ne ba to December yenya wo Yesu wia ansan metwa so
okay mene Salinko ena ekasa ye sɛ me kai na me kwakɔpɛ mebusɛm na yetimi akasa sɛ ne etimi da for Bora Italy embassy de Italy enche meba Salinko ekɔgye visa ma me enche
ni nyina sɛ visa no ni nyina sɛ ye enipa no ye ho sɛ de wode nkrɔfoɔ kɔ bai sɛ wode nkrɔfoɔ kɔ AU countries na enya sa nti yenso yenya bia ne nyina ya bom ne akotwa ne aba ohun de meche no nya afei na ye o be kɔ ba bia akɔ sɛ repetition
okwa
omma de na ye group ya no because ye time yenya sa opportunity ni bi de nti ayenya bi ne sɛ na ebi a social media ni ho be ne no udu ba bia na social media no ɛwɔ hɔ nti ehu de wotimi ye nti bia na sɛ yakɔ me ne me nkrɔfo yekoba enipa bia 4 or 5 ne akɔ ne aba unse meko US unse meko Germany meko we ya yekɔ ne aba nya connection asem bia what you say emwa na ɛwɔ ye ho no Zion yekɔ na Zion de akɔgyina ho ne yetwa sese yekɔ ye clean up awareness ɛwɔ Europe okay ye di kan akɔ Togo akɔtwa Togo fo di wo ho ni papa ye neighbor country just Togo ha omu di wo ho ni papa Zion Togo a man edidwa no awurade neat
Ghana for
men ka say Ghana for no nti na ama ye kwa ha to ha ye hwese obia ye be competition ne ye ha ya na chese ama obi ehunu de wo so nti se maka se Togo for ya hunu de a Ghana ye nso ye besua ye ko Europe a ba bi ebeduru bia no medikan akotwa bi da ye kwa ba bi ebeduru bia na obia fa bibia frim se ahafo nso di omo huni ye nso ndi ehuni ne emfa mo a o man panyini ni tirimu pa ewo eye cleanliness ehunu.
My name is Zion Felix. Follow me on Instagram at ZionFelix.com. Share this video, comment, like and share.
Da ma men chia me yire why oba pa Beatrice me chia what you say more fire nice one.
Bye bye.